Okay, today I'm going to review all the multiplication strategies that we've worked on in class this last couple of weeks. And then I'm going to give you an assessment on all the different strategies that we've used. The first strategy that I'm going to go over with you is the equal group strategy, okay? So the problem that I'm going to show you is 4 times 3, which really is 4 groups of 3. And you'll notice down here I have 4 groups. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I need 4 groups of 3, I'm going to put 3 in each of these groups. So I'm going to move these dots over. That's 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to move 1, 2, and 3 over here as well. And then 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So now I've shown you 4 times 3, or 4 groups of 3. In order to find the answer, I can take and I can count all of the dots that I have inside of my group. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is my answer? Or the product is 12, okay? So my answer is 12. My multiplication equation is 4 times 3. 4 and 3 are my factors, and 12 is my product. Now I'm going to review arrays, which is something we've been working on all week. So arrays have rows, which go horizontal, and columns, which are vertical. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to count to see how many rows I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rows. So the number of rows I have is 5. Now, I'm going to count my columns, which are my ones that go vertical. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have 5 rows and 5 columns. So my multiplication equation is going to be 5 times 5, okay? Now, I can take and I can count all of these that are inside of my array. Or I can skip count, because I can skip count by 5s. So I'm going to skip count by 5 times, because I think that's an easier strategy. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So my product, or my answer, will be 25. Okay, and so this is an array strategy. Now I'm going to move and I'm going to show you multiplication on a number line, which is another strategy that we've done. All right, so I'm going to show you how I can model 3 times 2 on the number line, okay? So I'm skip counting by 2, but I'm skip counting by 2 3 times. So I'm going 0, 1, 2. I've skip counted by 2 1 time, but I need to skip count by 2 3 times. There's 1, 2, which is going to land me at 4. I've skip counted by 2 2 times, but I have to skip count by 2 3 times. There's 1, 2, which lands me at 6. And I've skip counted by 2 3 times. So 3 times 2 is 6. My product is 6. And that's the multiplication strategy. So on your assessment today, you need to try to at least model it with 2 different strategies. You can use equal groups, arrays, you can use skip counting, or you can use a number line.